Hey, what's going on? It's your boy Ace here. I hope you're having a wonderful day. So I am a Builderall affiliate and I'm dropping this video hopefully to give you a little bit of guidance and support in terms of how you are currently running your affiliate program business. Okay, so the one thing that I have a lot of people asking me about is, you're staying consistent, you're doing the things that you need to be doing, you're doing your income generating tasks, but I'm not making any progress. What do I do? Now, I'm a strong advocate for those of you that know me and for those of you that have been watching my videos. I am a strong advocate for ensuring that you guys stay on track, have that overall goal, but more importantly, have that focus and consistency. Okay, these are the tools that you need in order for any online business to be a success. And I apply this in my everyday running of capturing affiliates for my Builderall business, and I encourage this with all my members of my team also. But when do you know when something isn't working, and what do you do if you're not getting the results that you want, right? Well, you've done the first bit, okay? So you've done the focus and you've done the consistency piece. So those two are, those are imperative, and you're doing those things, but yet you're not getting the results. Now, to me, when I have people asking me, Ollie, I've done those things, but I'm still not getting results, then you need to start reviewing what exactly you are doing. Okay, so just without knowing your specific situation, there are a couple of things that I could think of that may be the reason why you're not getting the results that you are expecting to achieve. One of the reasons could be that you're targeting the wrong niche. Okay, and I've said this time and time again in a lot of my videos that in order for Builderall to work when speaking about the affiliate program, is that you've got to target the right niche. Okay, you don't want to target what I call the SOS niche, the shiny object syndrome niche, because they just do not fit, I believe, the Builderall platform. Okay, so you got to be, you got to be selective about the people that, or the niche that you select and promote Builderall to. They have to see the value in Builderall. Okay, ideally you want them to be able to use that platform and see value in that. Okay, so that's the first thing. The other thing could be, why you're not getting results, is that you are focusing on the wrong things. Okay, and again, I've said this time and time again, you need to make sure that whatever tasks you are undertaking, you need to make sure that they have a direct impact on you generating an income. Okay, they need to be income-based type tasks. All right, and I don't know what those tasks, those tasks could be a whole number of things. All right, but I would strongly suggest that you review what tasks you do on a day-by-day basis. Okay, and then you need to figure out how are they impacting me bringing in an affiliate, which in turn is going to result in my membership being paid for and me starting that passive income, residual income cycle ASAP. And again, this is what I focus on. This is what my team focus on. You need to focus on that for certainly the first 4 to 6 weeks of joining the affiliate program, because you want it to be sustainable, right? You want to be in a position where your membership is paying for itself and that you're not having to fork out $50 month on month. Okay, and you need to leverage your sponsor, you need to leverage your mentor, you need to leverage your support, your team for support and guidance, because this is going to save you a lot of time, a lot of pain, and potentially a lot of money. All right, you really need to leverage your support network, you really do. And yeah, if you do all those things, okay, then you're going to see results. You will. Okay, the other thing that I would strongly recommend is basically you need to be able to see when you need to switch lanes. Okay, you need to be able to see that. And when I say switch lanes, what I'm saying is that you need to switch approach. You need to potentially change the process. Okay, now I know a lot of you are thinking, well, I've invested a lot of time in putting together my web pages, my sales funnels, and and potentially you may have also invested a lot of money in solo ads, Facebook ads. Why am I going to change all that now? Why am I going to potentially throw that away? Well, let me ask you this. You've done all these things. You focused all that time, all that energy, all that money, and have you got results? If you haven't, then you need to switch up your approach, right? You need to switch lanes. It's as simple as that. Okay, you continue doing the same things, you will continue to get the same results. It's as simple as that. All right, so I'm urging you guys, you know, if you're not getting the results you want, okay, you need to not only look at the things that I've just mentioned, but you also need to look at the process that you're following. Okay, is that process working? All right, if it isn't, then you need to switch it. You need to change. All right, you need to change that process and do something that works. It's as simple as that. All right, I know that it can be frustrating. I know that it can be time staking, having to change and do something new. But at the end of the day, like I said, the longer that you're doing something that doesn't work, the more of the same you're gonna get. It's, you know, that is basically the long and short of that. That is the truth. All right, real talk. All right, so if you want change, do those reviews. All right, review your tasks. Okay, get rid of the things that are not working. Get rid of the tasks that are not income generating. And if worse comes to worse, if the whole process is just not working, change it. You gotta change it. All right. So anyway, this is your boy Ollie Yates. I hope you got value out of this video, and I look forward to seeing you on my next video. Continue to keep it lit. Your boy Ollie Yates signing.